palangay, good morning. So, mamahaw tama ito ang pamahaw, pansit, tapos coffee. No. Kay alas 7 na. Yan. Pansit lang ato ang kaunon mga palangay kay. Carbon na ba?
Amra ikaw, lista mo, iba kita lista sa activities. Wala sa picture.
Mag-video na ta mga palangay kay naka-accomplish na ko sa ako ang obligations for the past few days. Yeah. Ito, paano ng condense. Don't you like it?
Tumaga.
Ha?
Aga pa. It's bad for my health.
Uy. It's health. Who told you that it's bad? Huh? Where did you get the info that it's bad for the health in the morning?
Masakit tulog pa nagkaroon ng miss.
So meaning,
Sa aga.
do not be eating sweets na. Masakit man yung ulo.
Pag-aga.
Whole day na. Maalat lang kaunan mo.
Is this yours?
Do not use that one.
Is this yours?
I do not know. Do not use that one. That's
Kuya,
one time user lang. Kuya will be watching Juan Luna on Thursday
Then,
at the city.
one luna.
It's a theatrical play about history.
Mana ganda.
I'll be watching gani.
Ganda.
I'll be with some of the students and some of the teachers.
Ganyan pa yan. Trip?
It's somewhat like field trip, but that one is you just have to watch movies. It's like a movie. Ang tawag pa lang tayo.